Good day, students, and welcome to our today's biology lesson. The topic for today's class is Kingdom Animalia. The Kingdom Animalia is divided into 9 phylum. They are 1. Porifera, 2. Coleotrates, 3. Platyhelminthes, 4. Nematoda, 5. Annelida, 6. Mollusca, 7. Arthropoda, 8. Echinodermata, and the last one, Chordata. Now, the first 8 phyla of the animal kingdom belong to subphylum Invertebrates. That is, they are animals without backbone and internal skeleton. The last one, which is Chordata, is said to belong to subphylum Vertebrates. That is, they are animals with backbone and internal skeleton. Now we're going to talk about the characteristics of each and every one of them. Starting from the first one, the Porifera. Here are some of the characteristics of the kingdom Porifera. The first one says they are simple aquatic invertebrates. The second one says they do not move about, but they are attached to rock or shell. And an example of this animal is what we call the barnacle. And this barnacle is said to be a marine crustacean that permanently attach themselves to rock or shell. The third characteristic we have is that they live in colonies, which means that they live closely together. The fourth one says their larva, in brackets, young stage, is usually Mmuta, which means that their larva stage are capable of movement. Then the last one says they have asymmetrical bodies. That is, their body can be divided into several parts. So the next kingdom that we'll be talking about is the kingdom Coleotrates. And here are some of the characteristics of kingdom Coleotrates. The first one says they are multicellular organisms. The second one says the bodies are made up of 2 layers, which are the epidermis, which can also be called the ectoderm. And this ectoderm is said to be the outer layer of the cell that covers the external surface of the body. The second layer we have is the gastrodermis, which is also called the endoderm. And this endoderm is said to be the inner layer of the cell that lines up the digestive cavity. The third characteristic we have here is that they are mainly aquatic organisms. And some of the examples are the jellyfish and also the hydra. The fourth characteristic here says they have soft jelly-like bodies, which help them adapt to aquatic environments. The last of the characteristics of Coleotrates we have here is that they reproduce by brooding, and this brooding is said to be a form of asexual reproduction in which new organisms are developed from an output. And here is a diagram of hydra. The tentacle here is said to use to capture their prey and also defend themselves against predators. The gastrovascular cavity here helps in the digestion and distribution of nutrients throughout the internal organism. The body sac here, which is also known as column, helps for support and housing of the organ. The mouth is an entry point for food and also the exit point for waste.